All right, if you're waking up in Calais today, you have a 1-hour delay before you have to go to school, so the Blue Devils can relax a little bit.
Is that what they are, the Blue Devils?
The Calais Blue Devils.
I didn't
That's
know
what the
that.
high school is.
That's what the high school is, the Blue Devils?
Yeah,
10 below Calais. Look at this golden right there.
Oh, geez. Well, there you go. Maybe take an hour and a half on that one.
Yeah, you can sleep in a little longer if you want, guys.
Jeez.
Yeah, a little brutal out there this morning again, but no wind. Okay, the wind's not a problem, not much of a factor at the moment, but the temperatures are, and they're actually a little colder than they were yesterday. Bangor's at 1 below, Portland's 2, Lewiston's 3 below 0 right now. But the winds are less than 10 miles per hour, and yesterday at this time they were blowing at 30 miles per hour. We had massive wind chill issues yesterday. This morning we don't have as big of a problem with wind chill, although the wind is going to pick up today. New direction, not out of the northwest tapping the cold, out of the south and southwest tapping milder air. So our temps are going to be on the rise. And as these milder temperatures work in, we're going to see snow showers break out. We're already seeing a few, especially along the down east coastline right now and up to the central highlands. So we're clouding up this morning, a few flakes around. Wicked cold, yes, early on, but temperatures will jump quickly up to about 15 or even 20 degrees by 9 a.m. And I know that doesn't sound warm, but when you compare it to yesterday, where our highs were between 5 and 10 above zero, yeah, that's actually a significant adjustment. Now, midday, I think we're going to get a little burst of snow in down east Maine on up into Aroostook County. And in these areas, roads will slicken up, and we'll probably end up with a fluffy inch or so of it. Temps get more respectable at this point, climbing above 20 degrees. And this afternoon, after those snow showers move on out of here, we'll see a little partial clearing. I don't think we'll see much, but some areas are going to get a very colorful sunset, I think, with lots of pinks and purples on the horizon. And yes, it'll be feeling okay. And any breeze that develops out of the south will start to settle down this evening too. So again, a pretty good evening. Quick look at a snowfall map for this afternoon and evening. Again, eastern and northern Maine, some spots will pick up an inch or two of fluff. I don't think there'll be any accumulation across southern areas, but there may be a few flurries floating around from time to time. High temps, normally 32, not far from that. Definitely more respectable. Rockland gets to 31, Portsmouth 32. A lot of 20s in the state, only spots in the teens for high temperatures, Greenville and across the county later on. Still watching Friday a little bit. Thursday is fine, and actually we'll see temps come up about 35 degrees or so. That storm will be pretty far offshore on Friday, but it may actually clip down east Maine with a few inches of snow. So we're still watching that closely. Wouldn't get much farther than the Bangor area, any snow showers from that storm. Behind that storm, the weekend is frigid again. Temps will rival what's out there right now. So again, another extremely cold few days there. And then that cold sticks around on Monday, and a larger storm with bigger potential will be moving up the eastern seaboard. And I think this is going to get us on Monday, and it could be pretty impactful. The problem is, even though it's going to be so cold, there's probably going to be warmer air that works in aloft, and that's going to result in some mixing. I think this could be actually a really good storm for the mountains for the first time this year, getting some big snow in the ski resorts. So fingers crossed on Monday, snow in the ski resorts. Looks like a messy mix for the coastline though. Gale warnings are up, seas 4 to 7 feet. Southwest winds will be very gusty, not appealing to be out there today. Highs in the 20s today, a few flakes around. Briefly better tomorrow in the mid 30s. That storm will be east of us on Friday, but we still have to watch down east areas for a little snow accumulation. And then there you go, weekend absolutely frigid. 5 below Saturday morning, 5 above Saturday afternoon, 10 below Sunday morning, and then about 20 in the afternoon. And we're looking at some snow and ice on Monday. That storm looks likely to me at this point. We'll keep an eye on it very closely, though. Lee?
All right, Todd, thank you very much.